Okay, so the idea here is to get some practice with concepts and those tools. Remember, tools in our toolbox for passing the exam. The idea is to get practice using those tools. So all of this should look very familiar. It's all stuff we've done before. We're going to start off with a prompt, just like every prompt for a DBQ you're going to see right at the top. And then, of course, the first step is to put it into your own words. And of course, we want to use the words how much, or why. Any one of those three we want to use when we rephrase the prompt. Then, of course, we've got context and evidence. Um, Refer back to the thesis practice assignment we did if you're having trouble remembering context versus evidence. Okay, and this is a really woolly. It's very gray in terms of what can be context and really just what can be context, because I shouldn't say evidence. Evidence is always very specific. That's you will always know what evidence is. Evidence is specific. Context is kind of down to you, okay? How broad you want to get with that, how general you want to get with that. All right. And of course, use your notes. Use your notes to do this. Okay. Eventually, we're going to get to the point where I'm going to put this in front of you in class, and there ain't going to be no notes. It's got to be right there with you. Okay. Then, of course, we have a primary source. This is not it. This is your background. I give you the historical context. And then this is the actual, matter of fact, I'm going to italicize it just to maybe clarify that. So that is your primary source right here. We'll apply it using happy, historical context, audience, purpose, point of view, and why. Then once you've done all these things, you will finally write your thesis. And if you want to do both, please do. Choose whichever formula you wish for writing your thesis. And once again, go back to the thesis practice assignment that we did if you're having trouble remembering how to do either of these, okay? Because you'll have plenty of examples there. So there's the assignment. Do this if you are the gold group. Make sure you do this Monday, Tuesday. Make sure you do this Monday, Tuesday. I'm giving you homework to do over Thanksgiving break. So don't let this be a part of it. Get this done early in the week, and then you can do your notes over Thanksgiving break. Okay? Which it's not a lot. All right. There you go. Hope you all have a good Thanksgiving break.